Hi guys, today I'm doing a video on laundry. So like how the laundry is being done in different places of USA. Here the apartment which I am staying has a separate laundry room for everyone in the apartment. Some apartments has their own like dryer and washer in their own house, but this is a different. So here you can see these are washers where you can wash your clothes. This is a dryer, you can see. So I'll show you how it's done here. This you can see, it's a in-wash scent booster. These are, you can see, small pellets kind of thing. You can add this to the washer and it will give smell to the clothes. You can directly add some of it to the washer. And this is you can see the infusion Downy has this lavender smell, and it's a fabric conditioner which you can add in this here. In one tray is for the liquid for the washing, the other one is for the conditioner. Here you can see I'm using Tide Downy, which is an April fresh flavor. This is a washer liquid. When you buy this, you can use it for 89 loads and this is for 83 loads. So I guess I do laundry like once in a week, so this comes like a more than a year. So you can see here we have a dryer, like this is a washer which you can see you need to add the clothes. So first we need to add some of the quantity of this into the washer. After adding all the clothes, we need to fill this with the liquid and comforter. You can take this and you can add here. Comforter to the required level which was mentioned on the cap. You can add it here and you can close it. And here you can see there are many options, like a hot, normal warm, permissible, press warm. Normally we use normal hot, and you can see there's a number 150. It's like 150 cents. You need to use quarters, which is a 25 cents. So we need to insert 6 quarters. So then only it will work, otherwise it won't work. It will ask you to push. So when I select the start option, the door is locking. When it's locked, then the wash will start and then rinse and then spin. It will take 30 minutes for the wash to complete. After that, then we have to take all the clothes and we have to keep in the dryer. Here we have some dryer sheets which we use, like we can just keep this like this in the dryer, so it will help the clothes to get a good smell. It's a lavender flavor. And here the option we have, like you can see, it's a 125. So it's, you need to insert 5 quarters here. You have to select high temperature or a medium or delicate or a low temperature, and it takes 45 minutes for the dryer to complete. So after completing, so it will show the same, like you can open the door and the clothes will be hot. So then you can fold it, so you do not need to do any iron for the clothes. That's it guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel.